This is a logic circuit diagram of a SR flip-flop along with preset and clear input. So this is a preset input, this is a clear input. So all the flip-flops have preset and clear input. The function of preset input is to set the flip-flop, whereas a function of clear input is to clear the flip-flop. Presetting the flip-flop means making the Q 1, and clearing the flip-flop means making the Q 0, and always Q bar is complement of a Q. So here this preset and clear is a input to these NAND gates, whereas S, R and clock input are input to these two NAND gates. So here preset and clear will work irrespective of a clock, because clock is here input to this, whereas preset and clear is a input to these two NAND gates. Okay, preset is for upper NAND gate, input to the upper NAND gate, whereas a clear is a input to the lower NAND gate, and output of this upper NAND gate is Q, whereas the output of lower NAND gate is Q bar. So see, now clock is 0. Okay, whether clock is 0 or 1, preset and clear will work. Okay, I will show you. Now I want to suppose clear the flip-flop. So just you have to make clear input 0. See what happens. It has cleared the flip-flop. Clearing the flip-flop is just like a resetting the flip-flop. Now suppose I want to preset the flip-flop. Okay, so I will make this 0. Say it gets set the flip-flop. Whether clock is 0 or 1, that will not bother these two inputs. Now suppose if clock is 1, then also it will work. See here, if I make a clear 0, it will clear the flip-flop. Now see here, if I make this preset 0, it will set the flip-flop. Okay, and if I make clear 0, it will clear the flip-flop. Okay, whether it is clock is 0 or 1, that do not bother to these two inputs. Okay, but remember here, preset and clear at the time you cannot make it 0. Okay, and rest everything is same. So if clock is 1 and if inputs are 0 0, but see, during this normal operation this has to be, both has to be 1 1 1, preset and clear. So if I make say yes 1, it will set the flip-flop because clock is 1. Okay, so if clock is 0, just it remains in a last state. So now if I make R1, yes 0 and R1, okay, it will reset the flip-flop, but provided that time clock should be 1. Okay, now clock is 0, and if I make 1, it is not getting reset. But if this clock is 1, now it will reset the flip-flop.